Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a power reset on your TV to fix some settings or features on it, like maybe HDMI device link that's not working, or maybe it's just a black screen. So go to your TV and unplug it from the wall outlet. And when it's unplugged, go to the power button and hold down the power button for around 1 minute. And you can continue to hold it down longer if you want to. And just drain any kind of residual power that's on your TV. So we held it down for 1 to 2 minutes. Now go back to your TV and plug it back in. And when you plug it back in, just turn it back on and see if those settings now work. Now if you are still experiencing issues with your TV, you could try leaving it unplugged from the wall outlet when you go to bed at night. And just leave it unplugged for about 8 to 10 hours. And then come back in the morning and see if it works. I actually had that issue with one of my TVs where HDMI device link was not working. A storm came through and knocked out the power to my house, and then in the morning everything was working again. So just go ahead and try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.